In this video we are going to change this port for this Amazon Kindle Fire. Actually, I started to work on it, but I did not have the exact port, and because of the challenges trying to use a different port, I decided to order the exact port. So this wasn't a video intended, but however, as you can see, I had already take apart everything here, so just need to remove the screws, take out the board, and I had already removed the port. So guys, as you can see, we removed the port, and this is the port in which we are going to use. Sometimes it's very good to improvise, but when you have the right stuff, you need the right tools for the right job. Sometimes it's good to improvise, but you need the right tools for the right job. So I have the right port, and this port will fit into the 4 holes. You can see 2 here, 2 here, and there's 5 small pins at the back. Yeah. So guys, what we're going to do, we are going to remove the camera, this rubber here, we are also going to use some flux and also braided wire, right? So as you can see, we are removing the unnecessary solder here. And what we want to do, we want to clean out the hole, the 4 holes. Good when you can clean out the entire 4 holes, but once we have 2, that should be good. So I am going to put this into place. So we're going to be using solder paste. Like, this is quite useful, and this is just the paste version. Back pins, let's just ensure that they're all sealed up. And we're looking good, right? And we are going to test for voltage. As you can see, we are getting about 5 volts in the back there. And let us test the battery area as well. So you can see it's kind of blurred. Let me just put some focus on it and take a look. That's what we are getting. So we are good to go. I'm going to quickly put up this Amazon Fire, and we're going to charge this up. So guys, we are done. So guys, as you can see, we are finished replacing the port, and everything is working like a boss, right? So that's how you can replace your Amazon Fire port. One of the most challenging thing is to remove it. It's not that easy to remove, so it's charging. And we are done. It's just to put on back the back cover, and we are done. Do like, share, and subscribe.